Hello, I'm Karl Ralph from RS Technical Support, and I'm here today to talk to you about BSP threads. It's a subject that we get a lot of inquiries on. The way they're measured isn't logical, and we get a lot of sizing issues. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to correctly measure BSP threads, the different types of BSP threads, and some of the things to look out for. BSP stands for British Standard Pipe, and it's an old imperial measurement. And how it gets confusing is it's a nominal bore dimension. So if you get a bit of BSP pipe, it's the internal diameter of the pipe. The best way to measure these is to measure the outside diameter in millimeters. This one's measuring approximately 26 mil. And then with the link in the description below, there's a conversion chart that will convert that to BSP. So BSP threads come in two different types. BSP T, which is a tapered version. So there's a slope on or a taper on the thread. And then there's the BSP P, which is a parallel. So the thread is completely parallel. The way the taper threads seal is as it tightens into the fitting, the thread gets tighter and tighter, and that forms the seal. Because it's metal on metal, you need a sealant, which is normally a thread tape. The best way to apply these is the opposite direction to the thread. Just wrap it round a couple of times, tear it off. Now, as you tighten this fitting into the female thread tape will tighten onto the thread, and it'll ensure that you get a good seal. If you put the tape on the incorrect way around, then as you screw the thread in, it tends to back the tape off and you get a poor seal. With the parallel threads, if the seal isn't included, we have these kits. They include fibre washers, which are more suited to water and pneumatic applications, and rubber washers, which are more suited to hydraulics, oils and petrochemicals. For hydraulics, we have the Doherty seals. They've got a rubber seal on the inside, and they're supported by a metal washer, and that's just for the extra pressure associated with hydraulics. The final thing to talk about is NPT threads. These are an American standard of the BSP, and it's just a watch out really, because although they look very similar, they're actually a different profile. The slope on the thread is slightly different, and they have a rounded top. They're not compatible. If you try to screw them together, they will bite together too quickly. If you've got an American machine, you might have NPT threads. And also we find them a lot on sensors, thermocouples, things like that. So just be aware they're not compatible. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, you can check out some more of our how-to videos on YouTube.